What's the meaning of conspiracy? Conspiracy. Conspiracy.
Conspiracy. Conspiracy. Conspiracy refers to a secret plan formed by a group of people to perform an unlawful or harmful act, often against the government or a particular person or group. The consequences of a conspiracy can be disastrous, leading to harm to individuals or society as a whole. It can result in legal and ethical violations, loss of trust, and damage to reputations. Conspiracy theories can also arise with little or no evidence, causing fear and paranoia among people. Overall, conspiracy can have serious implications and should be avoided.